One of the benefits of your global HB Vault cloud storage space is that it gives you the ability to share files with any person anywhere in the world. You can share individual files or you can share entire folders, and you can control the permissions so that they have read-only or full access. This brief demonstration will show you how to share files and folders. Let's presume that I want to share my pictures of the aurora with my friend Grant, who's a scientist. So I'm going to select the 5 pictures that I have of the aurora, and then I'm going to go to my Actions button and click Share Selected. I can select Grant right from my contacts list because he already exists, and then click the Share button. Now currently Grant has read-only access, but if I want to give him full access to the files, in other words, give him the ability to update the files as well, I can change that to full, and I could even set an expiration date. So let's say we're going to give Grant access to these files through December 1st. I'll click Save, and Grant has just been sent an email letting him know that these 5 files have been shared to him, and he can access them using his cloud storage platform. If Grant doesn't have an account on Global HB Vault, that's okay. Global HB Vault will create credentials for Grant and will email those to him so that he can log in and access those files. This time we're going to share a file and create a new contact to share that file to. So I'm going to mouse over the file angel.jpg and I'll click the Share button. And I'm going to create a new contact, and we'll share this to Colleen. And click OK. A new contact's been created for Colleen. I simply select Colleen, click Share, and this time I'm going to leave permissions as read-only. So I'll go ahead and save. And Colleen now has access to that file. This is an example of the email that Global HB Vault will send out to a person who would be a guest account on the Global HB Vault system. Note that this person doesn't have their own cloud storage account, but since I shared them a file, the Global HB Vault system created an account for them and gave them access to the file that I shared. This is an example of an email sent by the Global HB Vault system to an account holder. Note that it doesn't have the login credentials because I already have an existing account. This is simply letting me know that a file was shared to me so that I can go access that file. Now once I log in, I can access anything that's been shared to me by changing my screen from the My Files screen to the Shares to Me screen. I can see I've got a folder that's been shared to me called Hello. I click on the folder and I can see the contents that were shared to me. This concludes our tutorial on using Global HB Vault to share files and folders. If you want to learn more about Global HB Vault, look for additional tutorials on this site.